Accidents happen. It's part of life. And even if your vehicle has been properly repaired, is it really the same as it was before the accident? Think about it. If you saw two identical vehicles on the lot today, but one had been repaired after a wreck, which one would you choose? The problem is that once a vehicle has been damaged, it's worth a lot less money, as much as 30% less. This is called diminished value, and with the use of vehicle history reporting services, it's likely to affect you when you decide to sell or trade in your vehicle. And while your insurance will pay to repair damage, it will not protect the value of your vehicle. But don't worry, now you may be able to protect your vehicle from diminished value with VALUEWise. VALUEWise is not insurance, it's a value protection plan. When you're ready for a new vehicle, visit your dealer. Your diminished value will be covered, and you may get up to $10,000 more for your trade-in or sale. VALUEWise gives you the peace of mind knowing you are protected financially.